Press-on kit included. BettyCora Extra Long XXXL Press-on Nails. Glue on nails included 24 pieces acrylic false red nails tips in 12 size, 1 nail glue, 1 nail file, 1 sheet nail adhesive tabs, 1 wooden stick and 1 alcohol wipe cotton. Long-lasting for 2 to 3 weeks. Made with high-quality ABS material, BettyCora Press-on Nails. Glue on nails are not easy to chip or break, strong enough to last for 2 to 3 weeks when using glue and applied correctly. Our nails also come with nail adhesive tabs that won't hurt your nail skin. Wide applications for women. BettyCora acrylic press-on nails are perfect for temporary occasions like prom, party, birthday, wedding, dating. Your perfect selection this summer, helping you to express confidence and charms in daily life and work time. Minutes nails at home. You can make yourself a nail art in a few minutes at home. Firstly, choose the right size of false nails to stick on. Secondly, apply the fake nail glue, long-lasting, or nail adhesive tab, friendly reusable, and press them on your nails for a few seconds. Then your own nails are finished. Be your own nail tech. With this press-on nail kit, you can get the same nail quality as nail salon in 3 minutes. It can also apply with other nail sequins, colorful gel nail polish, rhinestone or other decorations, making your nails look more charming. Top reviews from the United States. Love. These are the best press-on nails I've gotten. They stayed on and they give you the option of receiving stickies to place the nails on, or you can glue them. I used the stickies and it felt like I put glue on them. That's how secure they were.